Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to set up a React.js project using Vite, all within Visual Studio Code. If you're looking for a fast and efficient way to start building React apps without any frameworks like Next.js, Vite is an excellent choice. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure that Node.js is installed on your machine. Head over to Node.js.org and download the latest LTS version. Once it's installed, you can check if everything is working correctly by opening your terminal and typing node-v and npm-v. If you see the versions printed out, you're all set. Now, let's create a new Vite project. First open VS Code and click on File menu. Then open Folder and choose your desired folder location. Now click on Terminal menu, then New Terminal to open an integrated terminal. In Terminal, type npm create Vite at latest and hit Enter. Vite will prompt you to name your project. You can name it anything you like, let's say React 1. Then, it will ask you to choose a framework. We'll select React by using down arrow key. Finally, select JavaScript or TypeScript, depending on your preference. Now run these commands one by one. cd command will make project folder as current working directory. npm install command installs necessary dependencies. This is the basic project structure. And these are the dependencies we installed using npm install command. Now, to see our project in action, let's start the development server. In the terminal, type npm run dev to spin up the development server. Copy the local address and head to the browser and paste the URL. You'll see the default Vite and React app running. From here, you can start customizing your React app. Since Vite gives you hot module reloading, you can see changes in live. To stop the development server, in integrated terminal, type Q and hit Enter. And that's it. You've successfully set up a React project using Vite in Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.